Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove offline downloads on YouTube. Now, in order to remove the offline downloads, you need to ensure that you have YouTube Premium account. And obviously, if you're looking for this video, then most likely you have YouTube Premium. Now, you may be wondering, how do you remove those offline videos that you have downloaded? Now, the first thing you need to do is ensure that you log into your correct YouTube account on the upper right that has the YouTube Premium, right? And once you do that, all you have to do is look to the left hand side and you will find download. You may need to scroll on a bit, but you can find this under the U section on the left side. Click on downloads and this is where you will have those offline videos. No, I want to mention something. In case you have, for example, smart downloads turned on, let's say I'm going to turn it on at the top right there. In case you have smart downloads turned on and you want to remove those downloads, I recommend that you turn off or disable the smart downloads. And you can find it by clicking the settings on the upper right, and you will find on the downloads, smart downloads, just toggle this off to disable it, right? And then you can go back to where you have the downloads. Now, how do you remove the offline videos that you download? You see in the lower right of each video, there's 3 dots. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. Just simply click the 3 dots beside any video, and here you'll find remove download. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and remove offline downloads, right, on YouTube, on your YouTube Premium account. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.